Palacio alongside the other starters in Reyes, Bustamante, Shai Umipon, Winnie Bedanya, and their setter, Fifi Ariola. All right, set number 1 is here. Good to have you with us. Yan Andal as the libero of Perpetual. This is the battle between the 2 and 14 JRU Lady Bombers and the 9 and 6 Perpetual Lady Altas. A good first ball right away, but a better return coming from Alonia. Shai Umipon flies in, and it's gonna be an attack error.
Oh, March, itong JRU, nabanggit nga ni Coach Mia, no, na buong season, tinatry talaga nilang ayusin kung ano yung rotation na pinaka magiging effective sa kanila. And so far, nung nag-start siyang gumamit ng mga puro veterano and mga graduating, for some reason daw, it's working. Kaya yung lineup niya ngayon is the same way as yung lineup niya with Bedanya.
That's right. So, we're talking about veterans as we see here. Winnie Bedanya, also a vet in this league. May Hazareno, may Amante, at saka Diana. Itong si Coach Mia Chuseco, along with Del Pilar right there at the middle.
And alam natin na pag nandiyan yan si Del Pilar, hinahanap nila palagi yung middle na yan.
Oh, long ball coming from Nico Diana.
And ito si Nicola, no? Pag binigyan mo yan ng runway, ng isang mahabang buwelo, talagang i-challenge niya yung blockers mo. Kahit matangkad pa yan, kahit mataas tumalon yan, blocking team ka man, wala siyang pakialam, i-challenge niya yan.
And she has grown so much as a spiker in this 100th edition of the NCAA. Oh, drop ball para dito kay Shai Umipon.
Oh, that's a high IQ play kung makikita mo bago niya paluin yung bola. After nung block doon sa quicker nila, pagdala sa kanya ng bola, tinignan muna niya yung spot kung saan yung may open bago niya hinulog. Which normally, yung ibang mga spikers natin, pag inangat yung bola, tatalon yan, hahampasin nila ng malakas yung bola. But in that case, napakaganda nung basa niya na yun.
Sinubukan din mag-off-speed ni Amante, but it was a little too low. So Amante dito ang Perpetual Lady Altas 3-2. And it's now their setter, Fifi Ariola, to serve. Again, JRU solid on the first ball, kaya nakakakuha sila ng mga chance dito. Reyes! Powerful hit. It went back to Amante, so that's a point for Reyes.
Double contact.
Reyes rising and scoring. It's another lefty hitter, this time from the side of the Lady Altas. Oh, one-handed set. Quick attack, pero good reflexes coming from Perpetua. That's Palacio bringing it across.
Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina, Martin, sa game na kailangan yung first ball may angat muna. In that case, nakuha nila yung magandang palo kanina, pero nung binalik na sa kanila, wala nang tao dun sa dapat may position nila.
Faster start for Perpetual, playing with sense of urgency today. Reyes gives a chance ball. Laurente sends this one to Diana, who is denied.
I like the energy and the vibe of this Perpetual team. Nung umpisa, nakakuha man ng 2 puntos itong JRU, pero sa kanila, parang napakabilis nila kalimutan yung score na nakuha ng JRU para maging attack mode na rin.
Yeah. Munti kang maging ace. Drop ball. Iaangat. Tatawid to. Kring. Perpetual recovers. Off speed again. Coming from Shai Umipon. And it has been working.
Ito yung sinasabi mo kanina, Martin, na si Shai Umipon dapat mas maging aggressive. And so far, dito sa first set natin with their 7 points, I think half of their 7 points came from Umipon.
Yeah.
Oh, so pag atras mo, ready ka na. Oh, pag dito, Inday, dito ka banda para pag shorter, makukuha mo. Diba? Girls, habulin natin yung bola, wag natin panorin.
Tara!
Pag may double block,
Kaya isa lang.
Balik sa ating laban. And it is Perpetual with a faster start here. Early 5-point lead para dito sa Lady Altas. And this is not good for JRU. So, the side purpose of a timeout worked for Coach Mia kasi nawala sa momentum itong si Fifi Ariola.
Oo, parang na-freeze niya itong service
Serving
ni
on
Ariola.
back,
No?
Nicole Diana.
And now, JRU is gonna put a good server. No, quick attack. Basang-basa. They go to Omipon. Support from behind coming from Laurente, and it leads to this Hazareno attack.
Yan yung isa sa mga veterano nito ni Coach Mia.
Kyla Hazareno rises and scores.
Serving
She's
7.
always had that gift. You know, what's lacking lang is yung consistency nito ni Kyla Hazareno. Ariola. Reyes scores off the block. And we head to our first technical timeout on the other side of the break. Mapapakinggan natin ang unang report ni Micaela Mindanao.
Hi mga kapuso, my name is Julia Ong. Question: anong NCAA school ang puro aral lang? Eddie, Arellano University! Pero syempre, joke lang yon. Nandito tayo today, hindi para mag-aral, kundi para makisaya sa kanilang NCAA Season 100 Pep Rally. Women's volleyball tournament kung saan naglalaro po ang Lady Altas kontra Lady Bombers Martin and Prince. All eyes are on the wings today because of Nicole Diala's consistency, and Shyla Omipon's power has led the team in the most points from their previous games. For JRU's Nicole Diala, this game is all about inspiring others and contributing her best. Without the hopes of entering the Final Four, sabi niya nga na they are only playing for pride, and their win over the San Beda is a statement that despite their standing, they won't be backing down without a fight. At para naman kay Shyla Omipon, she's 101% ready and eager to bounce back dahil sabi niya nga na may gigil pa rin from their loss against Arellano University. Her motivation today comes from her Final Four dream and her teammates that depends on her. As the Wings carry the weight of the game, let's see which of these spikers will deliver a win for their team today. Martin and Prince?
Maraming salamat, Micaela Mindanao. And for some teams and some players, Prince, kung ang panggagalingan mo ay 5-set loss na na-reverse sweep ka, madedemoralize, magiging deflated rather yung team. But you love the attitude of Shai Omipo na mas lalo pa siyang fueled para manalo.
Tama, tama. Dalawang ways kasi yan pwede mangyari dyan, Martin. It's either yung dibin mo yung pagkatalo and not move on from it, which mas magiging pangit para sa team mo, or tatanggapin mo yun and you're really gonna use that as motivation na ayaw mo nang maulit yung ganong pakiramdam. And for the next time na you guys play, you're gonna make sure na you don't feel the
We have a contrast of mindset here. JRU, nothing to lose, but all to play for.
Oo, kumbaga, manalo, matalo, they have nothing to lose pero everything to gain.
Yeah,
Kasi
exactly.
they get the respect of their opponents, and at the same time, para yun doon sa mga graduating players nila.
Kanina, pumunto si Kring Batara. Overcooked yung atake kanina ni Bustamante. Oh, JRU fighting back here. Just down by 2 here in the opening set. And this is the veteran mix that's been working for Coach Mia since that game against San Beda. They're just showing more composure. Tsaka, mas nakaka-execute. Bustamante approaches off the hands. Ito na si Kring. Single block by Palacio. Chance for Perpetual. Dug up. Alonia brings it to Hazareno. Andun si Andal. Oh, adjustment from Palacio will not work. Back row hit this time. And Fifi digs it. This is a chance ball now for JRU. Amante gets to it. Both teams scrambling on the floor. Over to Bustamante. Rolls it in. Here is Hazareno. Trap ball din. Andal. Kring. Long rally here. Inday now has a chance to set it up. Hazareno drops it in.
Kanina ko pa inaantay yung chance na makapagsalita ako. But I like what I'm seeing here with JRU, Martin. Doon sa haba ng rally na yon, sa dami ng nangyari na yon, parehas na team. Gusto nila talagang iangat yung bola and makakuha ng magandang setup para sa mga spikers nila. But, napaganda for JRU dahil grabe yung naging rotation nitong Perpetual doon sa bola na pinalo nila papunta sa kanila. Kaya nakapag-setup sila ng isang magandang set.
That breaks the 4-0 run of the JRU Lady Bombers. Camille Bustamante. Ito kanina pa sumusubok. Finally gets one through. Rally kanina, that's probably one of the most interesting rallies I've seen. Kasi lahat ng teams natin, or parehong teams natin pala, drop ball yung sinasagot sa isa't isa.
And to have that long of a rally, dapat maging sign na yun sa kanila na hindi dapat nila minamadali. And yung drop ball, yun yung isang sign na nagmamadali kayo. Kasi hindi mo sineset up talaga na maibigay ng magandang palo.
That's right. 9-10. JRU retaliates. Wenny Bedanya. There you go. That's a quick attack coming from Wenny.
But in that case, if quicker mo yung huhulog and gano'n naman kabilis, okay lang. That was a high IQ play actually. Bago pa umakyat yung blocker ng kalaban, binagsak niya na.
Bumawi itong si Pat Del Pilar. Sabi niya, I can also do that. It's also a quick for Pat.
And the game of JRU versus San Beda, it was Pat Del Pilar who played a big key para dito sa JRU to get that win for them.
This player has so much potential as we see that down the line hit. Unleashed by Bustamante.
Ayun, nakabawi yan si Bustamante. Kanina pa niya hinahanap yan.
At itong si Camille Bustamante, you give her, zero defense at the net. She'll know what to do. And she has turned out to be one of the main weapons now of Perpetual. Omipon. This is gonna be sent across. Oh, no, it hit the antenna first.
Point for Perpetual Health.
13-10 now. Del Pilar was able to dig it, pero dumiretso sa antena.
Oo. Kung medyo nausog lang ng konti yun, papasok sana yun.
Inday to Pat. Bumawi agad si Del Pilar.
That has been the bread and butter of JRU. Whenever Del Pilar and then Batara is inside, yan yung hinahanap nila. So hindi mo dapat talaga pwedeng iwanan yung gitna na yan na nag-iisa lang.
That's right. 11-13. Back set para kay Winnie Bedanya. Tip back. Deyala approaches. Oh, that's a cut shot coming from Nicole. Look at how tight this angle taken by Nicole. But that's her luxury, being a lefty.
Yep, being a lefty and very athletic.
12-13. Omipon. Somebody touched the net. It's on JRU, so an unforced error will give Perpetual another comfortable advantage.
14, serving 12.
Now Winnie Bedanya will be coming from behind. Oh, what a sharp serve. Maleamante, yes!
Maleamante.
Back and forth. Here in the opening frame, JRU is sticking with Perpetual.
Oh, and you know what, Martin, isa sa mga bagay na kailangan alagahan ng Perpetual is yung service nila. I mean, if magkakaroon sila ng errors sa service nila, magkakaproblema sila dito kasi yung JRU, most of the time, doon sila kumukuha ng yung mga points na hindi nila nakukuha on offense, na bumubuhay sa kanila.
Nag-usapan mo yung service error, yun yung nangyari sa kabila.
Oh, mukhang nabati ko yata, nabaliktad ko yata. So, na-jinx ko.
Deyala, yes! Nicole
For
Deala,
the Lady Bombers.
her long ball
Oh,
has been working.
and speaking of itong si Deala,
14,
no, nung
serving,
in-interview
15.
namin siya last game, isa sa mga sinabi niya sa amin is, alam niya na hindi na sila makakapasok ng Final Four. Pero ibig sabihin nun, mas magkakaroon daw siya ng extra time na mag-double time doon sa trabaho na,
Second technical
na
timeout.
pag-iensayo nila at saka yung pag-improve daw ng laro niya.
Okay, timeout muna tayo. 2-point lead for the Lady Altas.
Hello mga ka-NCAA, this is Glycel Galpo at ngayong araw ay nandito tayo sa Colegio de San Juan de Letran sa Intramuros, Manila para saksihan ang kanilang pep rally para sa nalalapit na NCAA Season 100. Kaya naman tara at samahan nyo akong makigulo sa mga Letranista.
Coverage, that's Malay Amantes, game face. And JRU is just hanging around here, scoring right here. So yung seryoso niyang mukha doon, pumuntos pagkatapos.
Serving for the Lady
Oo,
Altas.
pinapakita niya lang sa
Shaila
atin yung,
Umipon.
yung pagiging veterano niya.
Ah,
Low-key lang.
16-14. Hazareno. Perpetual on the attack. Reyes. Check out para dito kay Reyes.
Yan yung isa sa mga perks ng Kaliwete. Nandito siya sa right side, pero pag pinalo niya ng kaliwa, kaya niyang kunin dun sa malapit sa net or
17,
ipa-check
serving
mas
14.
palabas. Kasi pag right-handed ka, parang mahirap ipa-check ball ng papunta dito sa side na to eh.
Mas komportable yung mga Kaliwete, ano?
Oo.
Amante cross court, dug up by Ariola. They go back to Pauline, who is red. Now they bring it to Camille. Nandun si Kring. JRU side. Amante had to adjust. 3-point lead for Perpetual. Bustamante. Alonia digging that one up. Malay again. Sinagot. Reyes. Yes. So Pauline Reyes has been using the hands of the blockers to her advantage.
Oo, parang kanina pa niya pinadadaanan lang yung mga kamay nila. Yung parang tip lang ng fingers, yung pinadadaanan niya. Kasi pag tinamaan ng bola, yung tip ng fingers mo, mas mahirap i-receive yun eh. Kasi hindi mo alam kung saan siya pwedeng bumagsak.
Makes it very unpredictable for the floor defense. 4-1 run now for Perpetual. And Kring Batara answers right back. JRU,
Back at it with their bread and butter. From time to time, akala mo parang hindi nila ginagamit yung set na yon, yung quick set nila na yon. But magugulat ka na lang na out of the blue of a good receive, bigla na lang may papaalo sa gitna. It's either Batara, Amante, or si Del Pilar.
Del Pilar. Palitan ng tao para sa JRU. Doble palit. This is Detablan, backup center, now inside along with Cherish Dayame. Nicely done by Alonia, although it was a little bit out of control dahil masyadong malakas yung atake na yun. Look at this. Palacio, G. Palacio, too much heat.
Oh, medyo malamig pa. Medyo malamig pa yung mga bagong pasok. Kaya
oh, faulty first catch. And Perpetual will establish their biggest lead here in the first, 20-15. Coach Mia has seen enough.
Coach, kailangan niya yung extra push, kailangan niya extra movement para makuha yung bola. Hindi ibibigay sa inyo ng eksakto. So happy feet, extra movement tayo. Ready to move. Kakaintindihan.
All right, you heard it from Coach Mia. And it's because of 2 straight plays for JRU na parang frozen sila. They're unable to track the ball down, especially on the second ball.
But you know what? I like how Coach Mia always talks to her players. Very very relaxed siya and nabanggit niya nga
The
sa
Lady
atin na
Altas are now at 20.
hindi ko naman na kailangan magalit pa. Kasi ayoko na rin dagdagan yung stress and yung pressure na nararamdaman ng players sa loob. Maiintindihan naman nila ako kapag sinabi ko ng ayos eh. And feeling daw niya, mas magre-respond daw sila.
Yeah.
Ball will start by the Lady Altas.
16 to
for the
20.
Lady Bombers.
And she's always been like that, very mother-like itong si Coach Mia Chuseco. So, Perpetual will challenge this. It's not gonna be for ball in, ball out. It's for block touch. So, sabi ni Bedanya, pagkatapos ng sequence natin, sabi niya, kumpiyansa siya na hindi niya hinawakan or walang humawak nung atake na yon. We'll see. First challenge of the day.
Oo. Normally, pag challenge, di ba sumasayaw yung courtside reporter natin?
Nako.
Normally, sumasabay
Balita ko rin. Yun yung balita ko.
Sumasabay sa vibe.
Take note. Game na game lahat ng mga courtside natin. Talagang give na give. Hindi yung ano lang, konting movement. Yung talagang give na give.
Dapat yung with feelings.
Pag may music. And we have all the time in the world here in game number 2. So we have a lot of time to do that. 20 to 15.
5-point lead, ano?
Oo.
And again, magugulat na lang tayo. Maiksi lang yung 5-point lead na yan. Isa, 2 possession. That's gonna be down to 3. But again, tinan natin kung maximize ng Perpetual itong 5-point lead nila and makuha itong set number 1 agad.
I like the evolution of the lineup of Perpetual because initially, as we see their lineup on the floor here, kita sa camera, itong si Menor yung ginagamit ni Coach Sandy. Lapit nun, pero hindi tumama. Yeah, no block dodge.
So close, yet so far.
I know. That was a great challenge coming from Coach Sandy Rieta, trusting Winnie Bedanya on that decision.
And again, pag honest kasi yung mga players mo, mas masarap mag-challenge talaga ng calls eh.
Yeah.
But sometimes, meron talagang instances na feeling ng player hindi talaga tumama. Pero very slight lang yung pagtama sa daliri nila. Hindi mo na masyado na-feel yung ganun. Especially with all the pressure and yung nararamdaman mo na adrenaline inside the court.
And it's literally just a half second moment. Talagang,
or maybe less.
Yeah, exactly. 16-21. Error mula kay Palacio kanina. Ito na. Si Pauline Reyes, who's had her way against the blockers. Bustamante is denied. Reyes on the other side. Dug up on the floor. They bring it to Hazareno. Nandun si Andal. Bedanya. Kring with the save. Another chance for Perpetual here. Hindi inabutan. Pero napaganda ba para kay Bedanya?
Parang sabi nila, kala mo papaluin ko. No, it's a prank.
Yeah. Beautiful deception. So, I think we should credit that point to Fifi Ariola who made the set.
Parang hindi nga set eh. Parang hulog siya na, alam mo yung very thin line sa gitna ng hulog and ng set eh.
Yeah. Naging dikoy pa doon si Bedanya. Regalo to para kay Winnie Bedanya. 23-16. Perpetual is cruising here in the opening set.
But you know what? This is the type of setter na kailangan ng mga team. After nung parang hulog na set na yun ni Ariola kay Bedanya, binawi ka agad niya sa susunod set. Nabibigyan kita na mas maganda kasi parang medyo mataas yung set ko nung una. And nakapalo agad ng maganda tong si Bedanya. And at the same time, naiangat nila ng mataas, nakakuha pa siya ng point.
Binalik ni Ariola yung kumpiyansa kay Winnie. This is a sharp serve. Overpass. Del Pilar was there. Bustamante. Off the block hit for Bustamante will bring Perpetual at set point situation.
The Altas are now at set point.
Camille Bustamante. It's a 7-point lead.
Service error.
That's something they can afford at this point, but JRU will have to make a push here. Ito na, si Male Amante. At si Intay
Substitutions for
Laurente,
JRU,
papalitan
number
si
2,
Tayame
Amate,
at si
number 14,
Detablan.
and number 1, Lorente for number 11.
The starters for JRU took them a
Serving
while
out
to
for
bring
the
them
Lady Bombers,
both
Inday
back
Lorente.
in. Nakaalago na itong Perpetual. Inday. Oh, that's why she went back in. Camille. Woohoo! Chance ball. Ariola. Read by Inday. Ito na, si Tayala. Andal with a dig. Omipon. Oh, JRU touched the net. So that'll end our opening frame. It is Perpetual with a comfortable win, 25-18. Shai Omipon brings us to the finish. Perpetual ahead, 1-0.